Search the bio link in the search box. You will get plenty of options here. Many free options are also available. Choose any of your choice. Now let's change the photo. Don't forget to change the title, as it will going to show on our page. To add your personalized link, click on the text and click on this icon. Now add your website link or social media links. Once you are done with the design, click on the Share button, click on the More, and select Website. Click on the Open Website button and copy the URL.